Hello all, welcome to Raj Informatica. Please subscribe my channel. If you like my videos, please like, comment and subscribe. Hello all, this is Raj from Raj Informatica. Please subscribe my channel Raj Informatica in YouTube. Today's topic is Salesforce account creation. So how to create a new Salesforce account, how to create a custom object, and how to add the fields and records. This is our today's topic, and also how to read the data from Salesforce to Oracle DB through IICS. So first we need to create Salesforce account. So what is a Salesforce? Salesforce is a cloud. Salesforce is a cloud ERP database. Okay. So in Salesforce, we will be having already predefined objects with data also available. So it's a mainly ERP cloud. So today what we'll do first, we'll create a Salesforce account. How to create a Salesforce account and how to create an object, we'll see. Okay. So to create a Salesforce account, what to do is, so you just take this, or you can Google search also. You can Google Salesforce account creation. You can Google search also, but don't use this. What is one trailhead? Scroll down. You click on this developer.salesforce.com. Developer.salesforce.com. Okay, here you give first name. So I'm giving my first name and last name. Yeah, email address. So my email address, I'm giving my email address. This is my email address. So I am administrator, developer, whatever. So you can select a developer also. Company name, I'm giving as Raj Informatica. Okay, and here I am selecting India. Postal code, something you can give it. Yeah, username. So username, I'm giving the same name as email address. Yes, please. Yeah, okay. And click on I agree. Then click on sign me up. Click on sign me up. So what will happen? It is processing. So we need to wait for some time. We need to wait 2 minutes. Once you will get an email actually. So to get an email, you have to wait for 2 minutes. So there is a bug in this page. So it will be in the processing only, but it will take exactly 2 minutes. See, it is again asking sign me up. Sign me up. Okay. So, but there is a bug actually. So you no need to worry. Just wait exactly 2 minutes till you get an email. Till you get an email, exactly wait 2 minutes. So we'll wait for 2 minutes now. So after 2 minutes, if you see, you will get an email. 3:36 p.m. we have created an account. 3:38 p.m. I got an email. So you can close this. You can close this and you can click on it. Once you click on it, it will ask verify account. So click on verify account. Once you click on verify account, it will ask you the password. So you remember the password, please. So I'm giving the password. So please note it down somewhere, the password, and the where you city you born, some name I can give. So I can go and remember this. Remember this, okay, and then click on change password. So somewhere you note it down. So what and all you need to note it down. What is the how to sign up with, and what is your username? You have to note it down. Okay. Now my Salesforce account is created. Okay. So in Salesforce account, now what you have to do? In the Salesforce account, there is home page, here home page, and this is setup. We have services, and we have here profile. Okay, your profile, and here developer console. There are many options are available. Now, if we come to object manager, we have already predefined objects available. Like let's say we will not call it as tables, but let's say these are the tables we have already available. We can use these tables, or we can create a new custom object. So these are all object, I can say. In Salesforce, we will call it as object. In database, we'll call it as table, correct? So here we will call it as object. Now I need to create a new object. What? With this, my object name is students. My object name is students. I need a student name, place, marks. This object I need to create with this data. So how to create? Come to object manager, create custom object. In the custom object, it will show you. Now, the object name is this. The description of or label of your object is these things. So my object name is students. This is my object name. So you can give a student or plural students. So this will not take into account. The actual object name is this. This is your object name. You can give anything here. So I'm giving just a student and students. And now, the first column, it will ask you at least one column in that, one field in that. So I'm giving student name. First, you can create one column. Student name I am creating. It's a text data type. And you can click on allow search. So what I have done, I have given student name objects and you can give anything here, not a problem. Okay. So normally we'll give like this. Okay. Students I given. And the first column I created student name and then click on save. Once you click on save, an object is created now. So an object is created. The object name is come as students underscore C because it's a custom object. Double underscore C. It's a custom object. Now we need two more fields, place and marks. Come to fields and relationships. So these are some fields already created by Salesforce, created by, last modified by, owner. These three are already created by Salesforce. These are the default fields created by Salesforce. And we have created a student name. Now I need two more fields. So how to create two more fields? Click on new. What you need to do? Click on new. Okay. So once you click on new, where I went to object manager. So we have created an object. Yes. So you can see the object here. So this is the object. Okay. So students, you can open it. Now here, fields and relationships. Come to fields and relationships. Now add a new field. Add a new field. So here, data types. There are many data types. But what we wanted? Place, I want place. Place is a text field or string. So you can check text, click on next. Once you click on next, what it will ask? Just see. Field name. This is a field name. What is the field name? Place. Field label also you can give the same thing. Description. Field label means description of the field. Some other name for the field. Okay. So yes, please. So it will display actually, but our field name in the reports, it will display as place. Okay, but both let it be same. Length. Length I'm giving 255. And click on next. Click on next. Click on next. So done. It is done. You can click on save. Save means display this. What is that? Place field will add. If you click on save and new, save this and create one more field. I clicked on save and new. Next is marks. Marks is the number. I am clicking on number. Click on next. Now give the field, this one as marks. And length is 18, or you can give any length. 20 also you can give. Yes, please, or 10 also you can give. Now click on next. I given field name as, click on next. Once I click on next, click on next, click on save. So we have created three fields now. First field, while creating the object, we have created student name. And just now I have created marks and place. Now what you have to do, you have to add the records into this. You have to add these records. Fields are over. You need to add the records. So how to add the records? To add the records, If you go here, setup, view all, if you search students, if you click on student or students, it is not showing here. It should show. To show that, what we should do, go to settings, service setup, go to settings, service setups to visible on the search. You can click on tab, you can search with tab. Here, what you can do, you can go here, setup, instead of going service setup, just go to setup. Under the setup, under the setup, just click on tabs. Yeah, see, the tabs are visible. Click on tabs. Now here, under the tabs, okay, custom object tabs, click on new. We have created already a custom object. What is the name? Student. The name of my custom object is student. And you can choose any color here. So I'm choosing any color like this. I'm choosing. So why we are doing this step? To visible on the, it should visible on the services. Okay, this custom object should be visible on the services. Click on next. Just next. Save. Once you click on save, now it is students is, it is available for search. It is visible. It will be visible now. So now what you can do, you can go to app launcher here, view all. Under now, you try with students. See, now it has come. Click on the students. Once you click on the students, now here, if you see, you can close this. Can close this. We don't have any records. Click on new. Now we are adding the records. Click on new. It will show name, place, marks. So now I am adding. Name is Raj. Place, Bangalore. Marks 100. Save on new. Next, Ram, Chennai. Ram, Chennai. Marks 200. Save on new. Next, Adya, Mumbai. Marks 300. Click on save. Now I have created an object with 3 records. I have created an object with 3 records. Okay. So how to check those? How to check those? You can go to services, that is app launcher, view all, students. If you search with student, it should show. If it is not showing here, suppose it is not showing here. Again, go to settings, setup or service setup, whatever it is. Okay. Now here, okay, under this view all, search with students. See, now it has come. Click on students. Once you click on students, it will show, see, it is only showing student name, Adya Ram Raj. But I want to see all the fields like a table. I want to query like a table. To query like a table, what you can do? Under settings, you have developer console. Click on developer console. Once you click on developer console, go to file, open resource. Under here, all resources will be, resources means objects. So predefined objects and custom objects. So our object name is students underscore C. You can select it if you want. Under here, you will see all the fields. Now you can come to query editor. You can write a query like this. Select, like Oracle, you can write select name I want to see, place double underscore C, comma, marks double underscore C from students and double underscore C. So the custom fields or custom objects, it will give double underscore C. Now you can execute here. If execute, it is showing name, place, Ram exactly like this. So this is how you can create a custom object. So if you feel that So it is very difficult to add. Suppose I have 100 records. Suppose I have 100 records. These 100 records, it is difficult to add one by one. You can upload the CSV file to Salesforce. Suppose I'll show you one more thing. Let's say, for example, I have a CSV file. I have a CSV file. So I will show you. I have a CSV file. Let's suppose I'm showing you the CSV file. So I'll go to here. Okay, I have a CSV file already. Let me go to my CSV file. Yeah, my CSV file name is SRC City. Here, if you see, these many are there. Now, I want to create a Salesforce object called SRC City with these many details. It will take so much of time if you want to do it. Now, what I do, we'll create one object again. To create an object, what you have to go? What you have to do? You have to go to home. So this is home object manager. Suppose if you are feeling that this page is not come, suppose all pages are closed. All pages are closed. You want to open again. Either you can open login.salesforce.com or you have this. Copy this. It will directly log in. So it will come directly to home page. Okay, like this it will come. Yes, please. Here you can select object manager. So or suppose this object manager is not there. Okay, object manager is not there. Go to setup. If you go to setup, under here object manager will come. So this is home page. So here you will get these things. Okay, so the dashboard you will get it actually in setup in the home page. If you want this object manager, where you need to go? Here, click on setup. If you click on setup, object manager will come. Now first create an object. What I want SRC City. Correct. Now what I will do, create custom object. Always give the object name as SRC City. I'm giving. So better to avoid confusions, you give the same thing here. SRC City, SRC City. Yes, please. And here, what is the first column I want? The first column uh, in my notepad is what is that? In my CSV file is, let me open the CSV file again. Name place state. Okay. So you want name only, just give name only. Just give name. Okay. Name. Now click on save. Okay. So it is saved. Once it is saved, you need to add the fields. One field already there, name. Now the next field is place. I want to add a place. New. Under new, this is place is the text, correct? Click on text. Next. Okay, place. Yes, please. Length 255 you can give. Click on next. Next. Save. Once you click on save, okay, so the place is over. And one more is state. So that is text field again. Text. Next. Place. That is next is state, correct? State 255. Click on next. Next. Save. So I created a custom object. Okay, with the name SRC City. Name, place, state is my custom columns. Now what to do? Go to setup, service setup. Under service setup, you need to search with tabs. So if you don't get it, and if you don't get a tab here, you go to service, you go to setup. Okay. So you can search with tab. You can search with tab. Tab is not there here still. Fine. We'll go to service setup. Tab. It's not there. Now we'll go to setup already. Yeah, we'll go to setup. So setup is coming like this. We'll go to service setup. So if you're getting, then go here. Okay, here, what we do? It should show the tabs actually. Rename the tabs or something it is showing. Then that's fine, not a problem. Now go to here. Go to here. All services, view all. Let's check whether it is available or not. So still it is not available. So what to do? We need to go to tab. Let me close all these things. Let me close. Okay. So you go to setup. Now click on tab, search with tab. Yeah, now it has come. Tabs has come. So just close all and go to setup and tabs. Here click on new. Click on new. Under here SRCCT and choose any color. Suppose I am choosing this color. Click on next. Click on next. Next. Save. Okay. Now the tab is created. Now you can go to here, services, view all. Under here, you can search with SRCCT. So now, instead of adding these many records, if I want to add these many records, it will take so much of time. So what I will do, I will import it. I have a CSV file already. I will just import that CSV file. How? See, please. So SRCCT, add new records, drag the file or click on CSV, choose file. So I will go to my file or D drive. So I have the file in this location. I have the file in this location. SRCCT, CSV file. It should be a CSV file. Click on next. If it is, see here, name to name, place to place, state to state, it is giving. So click on next. Okay, mapped fields are 3. Start import. So your import is started. Click OK to view. Click on OK. Once I click on OK, so it is showing here. It is showing. Yes, please. Records processed 25. Records processed 25. Now you want to see the records, what to do? Come to settings, developer console. These 25 records could have come here. Developer console, file, open resource. Under open resource, you can see here SRCCT, correct? Yeah. So now let it be. We'll create a SRCCT and _C. Now you write it. Come to query editor. Select name, comma, place _C, comma, state _C from SRC _city__C. Execute. Now you got all these records here. This is how you need to create an object and add the records in Salesforce, or you can import it also. This is about Salesforce account creation. Now what I want this SRCC, I want to take. So I will take this as my source. My source is what? My source is, it is in Salesforce. So now what we will do by using Informatica? By using Informatica Cloud, my source name is SRCCT. This is my source name. Target name TGT city. So this is in Salesforce. This should be in Oracle. Okay. So TGT city 10 something, some table name. Okay, we'll take Salesforce and Oracle. Now, to do this, so I have how many records? 25 records in this. All these 25 records should go here. To do this, we need to create a Salesforce connection first. We need to create a Salesforce connection. In IICS, Oracle we have. Now how to create a Salesforce connection? Check your email first. whether you got any secure agent. So I did not get any secure agent still. See, this import is finished. That we got it, and we got only just username. The first thing is you need to have a secure agent. Go to your profile settings. Go to your profile settings. Under here, security and security general. Okay, or if you don't find it, you can token, you can search here. Here, if you search token, click on reset my security token. Click on reset security token. Once you click on reset security token, we'll send a new security token to the email address for your account. So you might have got an email. This is secure account. So what I wanted now, I want my username, Salesforce. For Salesforce, what I want the username. My username is this. This is my username. And security token. This is my security token. Password we know already. This is my security token. What you do now, you need to go to IICS. Go to IICS administrator. Go to IICS administrator. You need to click on administrator here. New connection. Click on new connection. So we are creating a Salesforce source connection. Normally in your system, you might have not seen this Salesforce connection here. To get this Salesforce connection, go to add-on connectors. Go to add-on connectors. Under add-on connectors, you need to search with Salesforce. So the first one you need to click on. The first one you need to click on. Okay. So add it. Once you add, now you create a Salesforce connection. What I'm creating, I'm creating a source Salesforce connection. CONN underscore source Salesforce. So under here, you select your Salesforce connection, select your runtime environment, connection type standard, username. This username while you created using Salesforce, this one, and the password while you are creating, you could have got one password, correct? Security, you could have created a password, that password. Security token, and click on test connection. Once you click on test connection, it will succeed. Succeeded. Click on save. We have already a target Oracle connection and source Salesforce connection. Now we'll create a mapping. So go to data integration, create mapping. In this mapping, what we are doing now, we are pulling the data, we are reading the data from Salesforce. So refresh it if you are unable to create. I'm refreshing my data integration. So once you create a data integration, click on it. Now what you have to do, you need to create a mapping. Let's wait for 1 minute till it launch, or you can launch from here also. Data integration. Let it launch. It is launching anyways. Yeah. Okay, created a mapping. So now M underscore Salesforce TGT city we want. TGT city. Now my source is my Salesforce. So here you search with a Salesforce connection. So that is what we have just created, connection Salesforce. Under here, select an object. Select an object. So here SRC you type it. So this is our object in Salesforce. Whatever the object in Salesforce, it is showing here. So my SRC cities underscore city is showing here. Click on OK. You can check the preview data once you selected. Click on preview data. So it will show the predefined field names and also custom. ID, owner ID is deleted or predefined. Created date, created by ID, last modified date. All these things are predefined. Our custom defined are place and state and also name. Okay, done. close it. Now target Oracle connection. I'm taking it. Take any connection. You can take Salesforce, or you can take target as SQL Server also, or you can take Snowflake also. You can take AWS also. I'm taking Oracle. Okay. So anyone you can take it. And I'm creating a custom. That means I'm creating a table at runtime. So what is my target table name? TGT City 10. It will create at runtime. Okay. So I selected. Save. Now my mapping is completed. Once my mapping is valid, run it. So once you run, it will load the data from Salesforce to Oracle. Let's go to monitor and check. So what it will do, it will read the data from Salesforce and it will load to target. Meanwhile, let me open my target. So this is my target, correct? Say select star from. What is my target table name? My target table name is TGT City Tab. Let's see first it is succeeded or not. Let's check this. So it is processing. Okay, 25 records loaded into target. Check it out. See here, ID owner ID is deleted. We need this action. Okay, if you don't want, you can create a target and you can map only those fields. Suppose you want only this, place state name and place. So you create a new table in Oracle and select the table in IICS and only map those fields. This is how you need to load the data from Salesforce to Oracle. Hope you enjoyed my video. Hope you got very good information from my video. So please subscribe my channel if you did not subscribe. And also please comment on my videos if you like it. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Thank you always. This is all about today's topic. I hope you got good information from my videos. For more information, please subscribe my channel, like and comment on my videos. Thank you. Thank you all.